Saturday, mostly cloudy, much colder. Highs around
Frigid temperatures return by Saturday and stick around into the end of January. This is the National Weather Service office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning will follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. After a very cold
in Juliana counties, including the boroughs of Huntingdon and Lewistown. Best of today, partly sunny between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m.
with a slight chance of snow showers after 2
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the system. NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Of these radios, the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. Now for the national weather. This is a weekly test of the NOAA weather radio all hazard warning device. Warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. At any given location, this variability is more noticeable at greater distance. You are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties. In areas including the Upper Delmarva Peninsula, and Middle, Baltimore, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake, Stone Point. Following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle. And in Maryland, Cecil. Wednesday, January 21st. Today, southeast winds are about 5 WNG704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.